Hypnosis. What did you want to achieve?
Well, I wanted to come back with a little more self-confidence. I wanted to stop with all the little things bothering me. I wanted to improve my golf. I had stopped playing for about 5-6 months. And you know what happens when you stop playing golf? Somehow it goes away. So what happened was I played in a tournament and I got dead last. So Mindy was on my show the next week, and she was talking about this hypnosis and everything, and I thought, wow, that's exactly what I need. So I went to her. I said, Mindy, you've got to put me under. You've got to bring back my golf game. So she did, and the next week I went from dead last to second place. Now, the next 4 weeks afterward, I took 3 more second places and a third place. So, I'm having a lot of memory recall. My game is back. I feel very confident, very comfortable about it. I also